Good afternoon. Welcome to Life Goes On. Uh, Today I'm going to do a walk on Calgary Northeast. So I'm at Rundle Station right now, getting off from this train, and my plan is I will walk northbound on 36th Street and hit 32nd Avenue, which is like probably around 10 blocks from here, from the LRT station. Then I will make a left on 32nd Avenue, go westbound on 32nd Avenue, and walk another 10-12 blocks until like I'll try to walk until Barlow Trail. So let's see how it goes. So today, Saturday afternoon, 2 o'clock, and beautiful sun out there, and temperature is +2, but it's a bit windy though, but still it's really good temperature and good day for Calgary. Getting out from the station, that's northbound on 36th Street. That's Sunridge Mall in the front, and that is southbound on 36th Street. Lot of people waiting in the bus stop, Rundle bus stop, for the buses. You know, Calgary is a city like in the winter city, like so winter time you won't see a lot of people like walking on the street. Most of the people, they're inside the bus or train or their own vehicles, or inside any office buildings or inside the mall. So you won't see a lot of people walking in the street like some other cities, because it's winter city. Walking northbound on 36th Street, northeast. Sunridge Mall on my left hand side. That is Rundle LRT station platform. Wow, gas price went up in Calgary. It's 113.9. Even few I think weeks ago it was 105 or something. It's going up. That is Sunridge Professional Center building. Lot of offices in there, mostly medical related office. Even a blood test thing they have in front of this building. This is Peter Lloyd Hospital, the biggest hospital in Northeast. It covers a big area actually. A lot of people works in here, and a lot of people come here for treatment. It covers like whole Northeast, part of Southeast, part of Northwest, and like I think like all the, if you go all the way to Red Deer, like from Calgary to Red Deer, between like all the small communities inside, they don't have any big hospital. So they, if any like a major needs, they have to come to this hospital, Peter Lloyd Hospital. It's on 36th Street and 26th Avenue Northeast. It's a big hospital and one of the big employer in this area. I am almost close to 32nd Avenue. After the London Drugs, I will make a left turn and go westbound on 32nd Avenue. I cut the corner, so came inside the parking lot, walking beside London Drugs Mart. Then I'm gonna try to get on 32nd Avenue a little bit further up. They have good burger. I like burger with little fat. I don't like burger with lean beef. I'm on 32nd Avenue right now, walking westbound. Um, so let me tell you something about 32nd Avenue. So 32nd Avenue is a very busy area. It's a business hub of Calgary. A lot of economical things happening in here. Any kind of business, you just name it, you will find it here. Any small business to medium business, some big businesses, you will find in here. A lot of people works in this area, and like from the YouTube video, most of us we show downtown every time, but I want to tell you, beside downtown, Calgary has a lot of other thing to show, other areas, like a lot of things in Calgary. Calgary is not just the downtown. Calgary is a big city. So from now on, I'll try to make videos on other part of Calgary beside downtown. Of course, I love downtown, and I'll do video on downtown, but I'll try to show other part of the city too. A week before, we had the cold snaps, and the temperature was like minus 30 to minus 50 with the wind chill. It was really cold, but today and next few days we have like kind of warm temperature. It's plus 2 3 right today, right now in the afternoon, and next few days it gonna be like this, and we have a beautiful sun hanging on the sky. All the snows are melting. There are few car dealerships here on 32nd Avenue, Nissan and Mazda. Mazda automobiles having a 10th sale, so they are putting all the cars under the 10th and they sell from there. It's kind of like a festival. Toys R Us, kids go crazy for it. Costco is right beside Toys R Us, which is like 32nd Avenue by 32nd Street Northeast. You see that colorful shop out there? It calls Freestone Fruits and Vegetables. It's a very popular fruits and vegetable shop in Northeast Calgary. They have very reasonable price and always line up at the door. You see how big is the line? So people love it. Sometimes I also go there to buy my vegetables and fruits. Let me tell you a secret about this place. If you wanna come here with a car, try to come in the weekdays. In the weekend, it's very hard to get a parking because there is always big lineup. So you have to fight for your parking spot. So come in the weekdays, you will have better chance to park and less lineup. Another good burger. I am now at 32nd Street and 32nd Avenue Northeast. So I'm walking on southbound on 32nd Street, walking towards Rundle Station. That is Rona. Rona is a Canadian owned home improvement shop. It's at Montreal based, and in Calgary, this one is 32nd Street and 26th Avenue. Best Buy, right at the corner of 32nd Street and 26th Avenue. Before it was there was a Future Shop right here. Now it become Best Buy. I think Best Buy own Future Shop. Friends, I forgot to tell you. I need 75 subscriber. Just 75 subscriber. I need to hit that 1K. So please subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching.